Hi everyone, today I will share with you my favorite products from Amazon which I use for my daytime look when I'm going out. So I'm using this nudes palette. There are so many options available. I will link all of them in the description box for you to check out. This is a very fancy brow brush which comes in a set. It's a very unique piece. You should get it if you are makeup lover like me. This is a very precise brush for the blush because it's a huge powder brush as well. So it can do multi-purpose things for your face makeup. Now comes a brown liner, which is my go-to look most of the times when I don't want to wear my black liner. So this is how I'm going to line my upper lash line with this, and then I'm going to gently smudge it with a smudging brush like so, and then I'm going to do the other eye. Magically it's done with the power of editing. Now I'm doing the lower lash line using the same Kohl pencil in brown color and again smudging it up. You can wear it down or wear it more properly when you are doing it for the night. And then I'm gonna use the mascara for finishing the eye makeup, which is a very basic look. You can wear this to your college or to your work or anywhere casual because this look never fails. And since for the weather I'm wearing a very glossy shade in red and pink mixed together, this gives a very nice glossy kind of a look for the lips, and that's how the look is complete in no time, and we are done and sorted. So this is how I look once I dress up and make my hair. I hope you like the look, and if you did, then please don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one super soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.